Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of scrubbing floors on your hands and knees, if pet hair, sticky spills and everyday dirt keep winning the battle, or if you want a powerful wet-dry vacuum that vacuums, mops with steam, self-cleans and lays flat to get under furniture without any hassle, then this review is going to make your cleaning life so much easier. Today we're reviewing the Roborock F25 Ultra Steam Wet-Dry Vacuum. This cordless beast combines strong suction, real steam mopping, self-cleaning and ultra-flat reach in one lightweight smart package that makes floors look brand new with almost no effort. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is one of the best cordless wet-dry vacuums you can buy right now. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let's break down the features of the Roborock F25 Ultra. It's a cordless stick vacuum and mop with powerful suction that picks up pet hair, dust, crumbs, and larger debris on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The steam function heats water to kill bacteria and remove stubborn stains and sticky messes. The self-cleaning station washes and dries the mop pad automatically, so you never have to touch dirty pads or deal with odors. It has separate clean and dirty water tanks, meaning you can clean larger areas without constant refilling or emptying. The lay-flat design lets it reach under beds, sofas, and low furniture easily. The battery gives long runtime for most homes on a single charge, and it stands upright for storage. The LED display shows battery, mode, and status. You can switch between vacuum only, mop only, steam mop, or combined modes, with adjustable suction levels and turbo for tough spots. Setup is simple. Charge it, fill the clean water tank, attach the mop pad, and start cleaning. No complicated assembly needed. Real-world performance is where this vacuum really shines. It glides smoothly on hard floors and carpets. The steam mopping leaves floors noticeably cleaner and sanitized without streaks, and it picks up pet hair without clogging. The self-cleaning station is a game changer. Mop pads come out fresh and dry every time. The lay-flat reach gets under furniture better than most cordless vacuums, and edge cleaning is excellent. It's lightweight enough to carry upstairs or maneuver around tight spaces. Whether you have tile, hardwood, vinyl, or low-pile carpet, it adapts well and leaves floors looking fresh with very little effort. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are strong. Powerful suction handles pet hair and debris excellently. Steam mopping kills bacteria and removes tough stains. Self-cleaning station saves tons of time and keeps things hygienic. Lay-flat design reaches under low furniture. Long battery life covers most homes. Lightweight and cordless for easy use. Great edge cleaning and outstanding value for a premium steam wet-dry vacuum. Reviewers say it cuts cleaning time dramatically, and floors look better than ever. On the con side, the clean and dirty water tanks need refilling and emptying after larger areas. It's not as strong on very thick carpets as upright vacuums. The self-cleaning station takes up some floor space, and initial setup of the station takes a few minutes. These are typical for cordless wet-dry vacuums, and the pros far outweigh them for most households. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely. Pick up the Roborock F25 Ultra Steam Wet-Dry Vacuum if you want powerful cordless vacuuming, effective steam mopping, self-cleaning convenience, and ultra-flat reach in one lightweight package. It's fantastic for pet parents, busy families, apartments, or anyone who wants cleaner, sanitized floors with less effort and no cords. If these honest vacuum and smart home reviews are helping you keep a cleaner space with less work, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this convinced you to try a better wet-dry vacuum, give it a like, share with a friend who hates cleaning, or subscribe for more. See you next time.